Hey nerds, what's up? Welcome to another segment of Nerdy Novelties, where I show off some of my nerdy treasures to you. But of course, we are into our 10th box of the Year of Sanderson. We are on secret project number 4, which I think will be the last secret project that we will get in box form, because Brandon's last book that he wrote, I think he's going to be turning into a graphic novel. So without further ado, let's get started. Gosh, boost or something, or maybe it's rocks. Okay, like all of the other secret projects, we have a golden sticker, and it's secret project number 4, the Sunlit Man. And our Hoyd quote, oh my gosh, the Hoyd quote goes forever. Uh-oh. One moment, please. Okay, I had to literally empty the box to get the entire quote. So here we go. I once ate a live frog, you know. Well, it was mostly like a frog. Had an extra leg or two and was violet in color, but basically the same thing. Slimy, amphibious, etc. Perfectly nauseating in every regard. It wiggled as it went down. When I reflect upon my illustrious life, that moment inevitably surfaces as the nadir of my experiences so far. No, I realize that as terrible, revolting, and miserable as that day was for me, at least I wasn't the frog, Hoyd. Oh my goodness. The longest Hoyd quote to date, so that's fun. Okay, so since all of the contents are out of the box, I'm still gonna do the book for last, but let's see. Ooh, this is Kaladin. Let me open him. Our character pin number 10, Kaladin. Oh, he looks so cool with his neat spear and all of his slave tattoos on his forehead. Oh, nice. He's so cool and shiny. Yeah, very, very cool. Cheat sheet. Ooh. Oh. As per usual with the different secret projects, which have been his books, we get really cool shiny bookmarks. Ooh, but this bookmark has 2 different illustrations on them. So one has this lady who looks like she just has like a glowing orb or heart inside. It looks like maybe she's blasted open a little. So maybe she's like an AI or something. And then on the other side, we have this blue scene, and there's like, I don't know what's on the side here. It looks like ghosts or something, or maybe it's rocks. I'm really not sure. But blue scene, a main girl and a guy, and some wildlife, but very neat. I like the juxtaposition of like the dark red and like very mechanical city life, and then we have more nature. Oh my gosh. Okay, you're just gonna stay there. That's fine. All right, and then we have a really cool shiny sticker, very stylized, like simple graphic, not super 3D or anything, but very shiny, fun sticker. Very much reminds me of the Tress sticker, like circular. And then I think all we have is the Sunlit Man book. All right, let's look at the Sunlit Man. I love that the pages are black. That's a real fun touch. Ooh, there is no words on the back. We just have a lady. Oh, same lady with the crystal in her. And then 2 men approaching her, and maybe some floating cities or ships. But we have the Sunlit Man. Illustrations by Hernanda Souza, Nabetz Zitro, and Kudriakin. So several artists, which is very neat. Just a little sneak peek. Ooh, like a world. Very similar atmosphere, making me think about the world of the Stormlight Archives. But very neat on the inside. Just like the other books, we have the reprint of the for all of you, the fans of the Cosmere, who make my dreams come to life. It's really sweet. Try not to get like too into it. Ooh, I like this. Illustrations. Bleh. Ooh, here we go. So we got like an illustration, and then we have this really nice glossy, and now we have a fuller picture of what is on the bookmark. So that's really cool. And that is as far as I will look into it. But very neat, very excited to have all of these beautiful, like really nice, finished, polished hardbacks of Brandon Sanderson. So very, very cool. The cheat sheet. Spoiler warning, this box contains A Man Called Nomad. Secret Project number 4 wraps up the book boxes from the Year of Sanderson with the tale of a familiar stranger. The Sunlit Man. Across planets, Nomad evades the relentless Night Brigade. Always running, he lands on the world of Canticle, where now he's not just fleeing his own problems, but a lethal sunrise that melts the very stones. Finding himself embroiled in the power struggle of local factions, can he stay one step ahead of his pursuers while navigating the perils of this new world? With gorgeous interior illustrations by Hernanda Souza and the Betts Zitro and a striking cover by Kudriaken, the Sunlit Man completes the set of 4 secret projects. Sunlit Man Sparkly Bookmark. Ignite your reading adventure with a shiny placeholder. Sunlit Man sticker. Nomad stands dramatically against a blazing gold-foiled sun. Cosmere character pen. Brimming with stormlight, Bridge 4's captain has come a long way from his humble beginnings. Brooding, but your best friend in any battle, so long as you're on his side. Here's pin number 10, Kaladin. We only have 2 boxes left, which I believe are Stormlight Archives and Fan of Sanderson. So very excited to see what these last 2 boxes of the Year of Sanderson will bring. I'm extremely excited to put all of these together, so I might do that for you guys, and yeah. Thanks, Brandon, for all of the secret projects. It's crazy that he wrote so many books in 1 year, but that is what happens when the world closes down. Anyway, let me know what you guys are most excited for. If any of you have already read The Sunlit Man, let me know what you thought of it down below with no spoilers, please. But yeah, thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, so character pen. Nope, okay. Gonna be like that? That's fine. No? Oh my gosh. Okay, you're just gonna stay there. That's fine. Like all of the other secret projects, we have secret project number 4. Pursuer has become a long way. Yeah.